Swirlybitz here again, guys. So welcome po ulit sa another episode ng ating tutorial. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to remove a picture background using our Microsoft PowerPoint. This is super easy and super fast to do it, guys. So unlike the other app na medyo may kahirapan kung paano magtanggal ng picture background. So alam naman natin na sa thumbnail, we do normally put our pictures kasi nga mas nagiging kaaya-aya para sa mga viewers natin na i-click ang ating mga videos. So samahan nyo ako, guys, at tapusin nyo po itong video na to. Okay, guys, so let's jump up into our computer. Okay, so let's open a PowerPoint presentation. So here I am with my PowerPoint now. So let's click this blank presentation. Okay, so from here we're going to edit or remove the background of a picture. So how to do that? Of course, first we have to insert the picture that we need to remove the background. So click the insert picture device and locate the file where you save it. So I'm going to select these two. Okay, so ayusin ko ng select. There it is. So as you can see, guys, I have two kinds of pictures here, left and right. So here on the right side, you can see I have a solid background, which is the color background is white, and on the left side you can see I have a complex color background. So we have two ways on how to remove the background of our picture. So okay, normally ginagawa natin ito sa paggawa natin ng ating mga thumbnail. So how to do this? So first, here the picture on the right background, which has the solid color, guys. So just click this picture. So as you click this one, you will notice that this picture format, so nagiging activated siya, guys. So pag hindi natin siya kinlik, nawawala. So if you click it again, lalabas ulit yung picture format. So here in the picture format, click ko lang yan, and on the left side under this color, click that color, go down, okay, and ito makikita nyo, send transparent color, click nyo lang yan, the set transparent color, and click it dito sa background nya, and there it is, guys. Napakabilis. So meron na tayong picture background, picture na natanggal na natin ang ating background. Okay, next naman, guys, titingnan natin kung yung ginawa natin dito sa unang picture sa kanan natin is magwo-work dito sa my complex background. Okay, so let's go again. Okay, click the picture. Ayan nga, lumabas yung picture format. And then select the color, set transparent color, and click that one. Okay, dito sa background niya. And there it is, guys. As you can see, hindi siya nag-work out yung transparency niya dito sa may mga complex color. Okay, guys. So, what we have to do is, ito yung second option natin on how we can remove the picture background dito sa PowerPoint. So, what we have to do, click nyo lang ulit yung picture or yung object na gusto nyo tanggalan ng background. Okay, and then on your left side, click the remove background. And as you can see, guys, makikita nyo itong magenta color nito, which means yan yung buong tatanggalin niya. So, of course, sa thumbnail natin, gusto natin may buhok tayo. So, what we have to do, i-click lang natin itong mark area to keep. Okay, and then i-draw lang natin dito sa hair. So, ayan. And same thing here dito sa iba. Ganun lang guys. So, click lang yung mark area to keep kung ano yung gusto nating iwan. Ayan. So, ganun kadali guys. Walang kahirap-hirap magtanggal ng picture background dito sa PowerPoint. Easy to do. Okay? So, for example, gusto nating tanggalin itong some part ng buhok natin. For example, yung part na yan, gusto nating tanggalin. So, magiging ganyan ang kalalabasan niya, guys. Mawawala yung buhok natin. Magiging ganyan. Okay? Balik ulit natin. Okay, so anything na gusto nyo tanggalin dito, so just click nyo lang tong mark area to remove and matatanggal na nga siya. For example, etong part na to, gusto natin tanggalin. So, yung buong yon natatanggal kasi dito kay PowerPoint, nababasa niya yung magkakapareho na kulay, so yun yung tinatanggal niya. So, ang gagawin natin, yun nga, kung gusto nyo, i-click nyo lang kung ano yung mga iba pang bagay na gusto nyo matanggal dito sa picture na gusto nyo ipatanggal. But then, kung gusto nyo namang ibalik, click lang natin yung ulit yung mark area to keep. Okay? Ayan. For example, gusto natin ibalik ulit yung pusa dito sa ating magiging thumbnail. Okay? Ayan, click nyo lang guys yung may magenta color para mawala yung, ayan. Okay, so far, so good naman na guys. Malinis na. So, ayun guys, napakadali as to compare dun sa ibang app. Okay, na dati kong ginagawa. Masyadong maraming trabaho. Dito sa PowerPoint is napakadali. Konting click lang sa, sa picture background and there you go. Meron na tayong picture na natanggalan natin ng background. So, after nating magawa yan, keep changes, click the keep changes, and there it is. So, ayan na guys, yung picture natin kanina is natanggalan na natin ng background. So, ganun kabilis, ganun kadali. And for example is gagawa na tayo ng thumbnail. So, dito sa PowerPoint, so what we have to do is insert lang tayo. Okay? Dito pala tayo sa design and mamili na lang kayo whatever design or pwede rin naman kayo mag-insert ng pictures na gusto nyong ng picture, background picture na gusto nyong ilagay. For example, yan, gusto ko siyang ilagay. Okay? So, halimbawa, eto, how to remove picture background. Diba? Ito yung magiging thumbnails ko guys. Picture background. How to remove picture background. And ayusin nyo na rin siya guys. Ayan. So, pwede nyo lang ayusin. Pwede kayo magdagdag. So, whatever ang gusto nyo guys. So, itong picture na to guys, example ko lang naman to. Okay, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung dalawang paraan ng pagtanggal ng ating picture background. So, we all know sa thumbnails, kung may picture tayo, is nagiging mas kaaya-aya sa mga tao or sa mga viewers natin na panoorin yung video tutorials natin. So, guys, ganun lang kadali. Walang kahirap-hirap. Ganun lang kabilis ang magtanggal ng background picture gamit ang ating PowerPoint. So, after na yan guys, what we have to do is punta lang ulit tayo sa file. Okay? And then save. Para ma-save natin yung magiging thumbnail natin. And then, browse kung saan nyo gustong ilagay or i-save ang inyong magiging thumbnail. For example, gusto ko siyang ilagay sa my download. And ang magiging file na ito is how to remove picture background. And save it as JPEG. Or you can save it also as a PNG. So for me, I'm going to save it as a JPEG. And after that, just click save. And after that, you can just save just this one. For example, meron kayong 5 slides. Okay, pero yung certain slide na yan lang yung gusto nyong i-save. So, i-click nyo lang to. Just this one. And there you go. Masasave lang kung anong slide yung sinelect nyo. Pero ito lang masasave. At itong slide 2, hindi siya masasave. So, let's try and check that one. Punta tayo dito sa Explorer ko. And let's click the download. Dito ko siya sinave. And there it is, guys. Ito makikita nyo, ito lang yung na-save doon sa sinave natin kanina na picture. So, sa PowerPoint, guys, pwede nyong iselect kung anong slide lang ang gusto nyo na gawing picture file format. So, kung may natutunan kayo guys at nagustuhan nyo itong aking tutorial na ito, so please don't forget to click that like button. And if bago kayo sa aking channel, please click that subscribe button guys and click that notification bell icon para po maging updated pa kayo sa mga darating kong mga videos about tutorial. Thank you so much!